always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why, always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the
Hey my lovely angels, it's me Grincy Gandhi, and this video is for the Indian gas makeup look, and I absolutely loving this makeup look. This look is so soft, this look is so alluring, and this one is suitable for all the people. Anyone can create this video. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Firstly, we will start with eye makeup, and I have taken reddish color, and now I am going to blend it all over my eyelid with the fluffy brush.
love you now.
And now I will take a little bit darker red color. I am in the brick shade, and now I am going to add it in the outer corner of my eyes and just blending. The more you blend, the better it looks. The more you blend, better it looks. Again, I have taken fluffy brush with a metallic blue shimmery shade, and now I am going to blend it all on my middle lid and in my inner corners. If you use brush, then it won't show you that much pigmented, but if you pick it on your finger and blend it, it will show you better result. So the best way to apply this kind of shade, use your finger. In the next, I have taken smaller fluffy brush with the light purple shade, and now going to mix it with the blue one. Now I have taken flat brush and take reddish plus that brick shade and mix it together, and now I am going to blend it all over my lash line. Again, I have taken light purple shade and taking flat brush, and now going to apply in my inner corners to add some sparkle to my eyes. Now I have completed my eyeshadow on both of my eyes, and now I am taking inside liquid eyeliner in the shade blue. This eyeliner is so good, and at the same time it is so affordable. You can find it in any drugstore. For the base, we will start with the moisturizer, and now I have taken mamaearth oil-free moisturizer and going to apply it all over my face. This moisturizer has done its job so amazingly, and this one is so effectively. Like, if you have oily skin type, then definitely this one is for you, because this one is oil free moisturizer. And yes, it's not like that this one is only for the oily skin type. This one is suitable for all the skin type. For the primer, I am going to use Bigga First Light Priming Filter. This primer minimizes the look of dull skin and blurs imperfection for a brighter and more refreshed look. This primer also moisturizes and energizes skin for a fresh, healthy looking complexion. It also nourishes your skin. For the foundation, I am going to use Sugar Face Foundation Stick, and this one is lightweight, creamy and beyond easy to blend. And I am in the shade of Vienna 27, light medium shade with warm undertone, and I just love the name Vienna. It means life. So, talking about the foundation, this handy stick blurs away in large pores, fine lines, dark circles, blemishes and more. And this feels so lightweighted on your skin, like you don't even feel that you have applied something. And this one is for the case makeup look, so you have to wear foundation for at least 5 to 6 hours. So this one is the best foundation for this kind of events. So best thing about this sugar stick foundation is it comes with a brush, so it's very handy. You can take it anywhere and use it. For this you don't need an extra brush. For the blush, I have taken Makeup Revolution London blush palette, and now I have taken the big fluffy brush with the pinkish shade and going to apply it on apple of my cheeks and also on my nose area. And yes, I have applied a little bit more, so to balance it out, now I am taking a damp beauty blender and going to just dab it on apple of my cheek so that excessive product soak into it. To fix our base, I have taken Maybelline loose powder in the shade of 15 and very light-handedly I have applied all over my face. To add glowiness and some luminosity, again I have taken that palette and taken the highlighter shade and going to apply it on my cheekbones, on my nose area and also my eyebrow bone. Love you now. The best way to apply lipstick is first line your lips and then add lipstick to it. For the lipstick, I have taken that Sugar Mini Matte lipstick, and this one is so amazing lipstick, like in the winter season it won't dry your lip. Now I want to add some gloss to my lips because it is winter season and this one is the gas makeup, so we have to wear this makeup at least for 5 to 6 hours. So I don't want to wear matte lipstick, that's why I am going to add a little bit gloss to my lip so it won't dry out very easily. Now I am taking it on my finger and going to apply on my lips. Now I am going to wear my earrings, and also if you want you can add a little bindi to this look. This little and tiny step will add some sparkle to your makeup look. I hope all of you like this video, and yes, if you have watched this video fully, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and just don't forget to like it, share it and also do comment. I would love to read it. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and spread love. Bye bye.